Electronic notarization services versus traditional notary publics. Which one is better for international document certification? Most people assume traditional notaries are always the safest choice for certifying documents internationally. The surprising truth is that electronic notarization services can often offer faster, more secure, and legally recognized solutions, especially for cross-border transactions. Traditional notary publics require in-person verification. You physically sign documents in front of a notary, who then affixes a stamp and seal. This method is familiar and widely accepted, but it can be slow and costly for international use. For example, sending notarized documents abroad might involve courier fees, embassy legalization, or apostille processes, all of which can take days or even weeks. Electronic notarization services, in contrast, allow documents to be notarized online using secure digital signatures and identity verification. Parties can participate from different countries, upload documents, and receive legally valid certification in a matter of hours. Many countries now recognize electronic notarizations under IDAS or similar frameworks, making them valid for international use. This is particularly helpful for businesses handling contracts, powers of attorney, or corporate filings across borders. The key difference is speed and accessibility versus traditional familiarity. Traditional notaries are reliable for domestic legal procedures, but electronic notarization is a game changer for international efficiency and cost savings. Companies that frequently need cross-border documentation, like multinational corporations or law firms, benefit immensely from the reduced administrative burden and faster turnaround. The takeaway is simple: if your goal is international document certification with minimal delays, electronic notarization is often the better choice. The surprising truth is that integrating both options strategically, traditional notaries for domestic compliance and e-notarization for international processes, provides maximum efficiency and legal certainty. For any organization dealing with international documents, understanding the differences ensures smoother transactions, faster certification, and reduced operational costs without compromising legality or security.